In Sony LED TV, if the green and orange light blinks, then it shows a software related complaint. This complaint is mainly occurs while replacing the motherboard due to mismatch in the panel ID. To solve this problem, you need to perform a force update in your TV using a USB device. You can download the official firmware from the Sony website by searching with your TV model number. The file downloaded will be a zip file. You need to extract the zip file and copy the firmware to a USB device. Now connect the USB device on your TV, then plug on. Now the TV will start updating. It takes more than 50 minutes to complete the software update. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.